Dear customer, this is Mia from QLQ Company. Do you have any problems about choosing die casting machine? And we have two models, the material pot model and the material cup model. So today I will explain the differences between them to you. This is material pot model die casting. This machine is a material cup model. It is 68 tons, and I will take it as an example. The first difference between them is max one-time production capacity. For the material pot model, its max one-time production capacity is 0.9 kilograms, including products and waste materials. While for material cup model, it is 0.7 kilograms. So we usually use the material pot model to produce some big products like bag accessories and the big buckles. While for the material cup model, we will use it to make some smaller products like sliders and coolers. But we normally use only 40 to 80% material of the max one-time production capacity to produce products so that the quality of the products will be more stable. The second difference is the destiny of products made by the material pot model will be higher than made by the material cup model. Then the third difference is also the most important one. Is the difference between the material pot model and the material cup model. For most technicians, the parts of material pot model is easier to change than the cup of material cup model. This is the cup of material cup model. But some technicians will be more familiar with the material cup model. So it's mainly depend on technicians' working habits and the customer's production needs. Okay, the last difference between the material pot model and the material cup model is the heating way. The heating way between them is a little different. For the material pot model, it can be heated by heating pipes and coal gas and lightweight stoves and induction cooker. While for material cup model, it can be heated by heating pipes, coal gas, and natural gas. By the way, natural gas, if you use natural gas to heat the machine, then you need to buy a burner in addition. So the material cup model can be heated by lightweight heating way.